The 6-step process to earn money online. Step. The internet has provided an excellent platform for earning money. You can work as a freelancer or start your own business and become an entrepreneur. The competition of making money online is increasing every day. It is important to know the effective and efficient ways of making money online. The success of your online career depends on several things, and one of them is how much time you are devoting to your online work. One of the best ways of earning money online. 1. Creating a blog or website. The first step of getting started as an affiliate marketer, you need to have a website where you can place links to the services and products you may recommend. You can use a website service. There is an extensive range. 2. Selecting the product and niche of your service. The job of the affiliate marketers is to assist the companies and new business owners to sell different types of goods. The products can range from food products to electronics. You may need to sell services as well. You should always choose a field or area which is familiar to you. Try to choose an area which you are enthusiastic to learn. 3. Look for services and products to promote. The purpose of several affiliate networks is to create connections between affiliate site publishers and the merchants. You should spend your time looking for companies that will have products or services that you need to advertise and promote. It is important to choose the right websites because the sites which are full of ads can appear as spam. It makes it difficult for the people to find a site reliable. 4. Affiliate content of site. There are 2 approaches you can choose from while setting up the site for affiliate marketing. One of the approaches is the resource sites. They focus on offering how-to posts and articles. They also provide affiliate links which you can click for more information. Adding fresh content is essential if you want people to return to your website and click on links which will earn you money. The other approach is the review sites. On these sites, you can write reviews of the products or services and rate. 5. Attracting targeted traffic for success. It is possible that the visitors of the website do not always click on the affiliate links. Making use of a variety of marketing tactics is necessary. Make sure you employ the strategies which will help in increasing the traffic of the sites. There are different ways of providing exposure to your site. You can use 6. Learning ropes of forum. There are some online communities which help in bringing together like-minded people. These forums allow people to exchange ideas and insights. These forums are free, and you can benefit from the advice. By following these steps, you can create a successful career and earn a lot of money. Thanks for watching.